Now, the coronavirus pandemic and the death of George Floyd have brought issues about racial inequality to the forefront, and a Hamilton County commissioner wants to declare racism a public health crisis. Commissioner Victoria Parks joins us live via Skype this morning to discuss her proposal. Good morning, Commissioner Parks. Thanks so much for joining us.
Good morning, Anjanette. Thank you so much for the opportunity.
Yeah,
I
great.
appreciate it.
Yeah, I'm very interested in this. So tell me what you're hoping to accomplish with this proposal.
Okay, well, as you know, I was appointed after my boss, Todd Pertune, retired late last year and later passed. I know that Todd would be so excited. He would be on fire. And I feel him cheering on the Board of County Commissioners to listen to the people and come up with creative and meaningful policy as lawmakers that have teeth. My hope in declaring racism a public health crisis is that we acknowledge that racism is real. It has real impacts on the Black community. It shows up in health disparities. It can be seen in income disparities, housing discrimination, criminal justice, and educational opportunities.
It seems
I'm,
like,
I'm hoping,
I'm so sorry.
oh, we want to commit to solutions and embed the solutions in our values, training, and actions. We need to reshape our public discourse, listen to one another, have better dialogue, pull in partner organizations and leaders, attack the systemic racism that leads to racial disparities such as infant mortality, hypertension, and heart disease.
Over the last couple of weeks, we've seen, at least in, I've covered, I covered the Sam DuBose case.
Mhm.
There were white people interested in that then, but this seems to have attracted the interest, the killing of George Floyd, more interest from white people in this issue. So what can people watching this who are just, everyday average people, how do you think they can take part in this? And just, I feel like there's a self-awareness here that you have to be willing to kind of see the issue and just, in your actions every day become more, reaching out to people, being more inclusive. Is that what you see?
I do. I definitely see this. I've been around for a while. I was a young child during the civil rights era, but this time, with these young kids out here, it looks like America, and I'm so excited. And what I would advise my white brothers and sisters is don't stay silent. I will quote Dr. Martin Luther King. He reminds us that in the end, we will remember not the words of our enemies, but the silence of our friends. So to take meaningful action, commit to education, and I'm happy that we are laying the groundwork to provide those kind of education opportunities. Get involved, shop Black-owned businesses, and reach out to elected leaders with your creative ideas.
Great. Well, Commissioner Victoria Parks, thank you again so much for joining us this morning. It was really nice to talk to you about this.
Likewise, Anjanette. Thank you so much.
Have a great day.